Wagwan, Wagwan. Welcome to my channel. I am the DIY Yardi. I grew up in the countryside of Jamaica. This is a time when, as young men, we would make our own toys by hand. We used our imagination and whatever materials we could find, like cardboard, bottle stoppers, wood, a nail. He's called this a top. Jamaican, we say gig. Put push carts together, stuff like this. Um, all of this stuff would make from whatever materials we'd find laying around. This is where I developed mechanical aptitude, to now be working on cars, any kind of motorized engine, electrical, assembling, different furnitures or exercise bikes, stuff like that. I would use YouTube as an aid in some of these projects, but I would find that some people that upload videos, they wouldn't do a complete video from start to end. So that's where I decided I'd put into as much information as I could in my videos, you know, on YouTube. So hopefully you'll check out my channel. Hopefully you'll subscribe, and hopefully it'll be helpful to anyone that researches the information I cover. And again, I'm the DIY Yardi. Bless up.